So hello everyone, welcome to Mission with You YouTube channel. So in this video we are dealing with the model question paper 1. So the VTU is released the model paper 1 of the 6th semester embedded system design. In this they have given the question as in module 1, 1A question, define embedded system and classify the embedded system based on the generation, complexity and triggering. In 1B explain the following: optocouplers, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, SPI bus and USB. In Model 1, Question 2a, list the features of the following: I2C bus, IRDA, one wire interface, keyboard, UART. In 2b question, illustrates the architecture block diagram of the embedded system and mention the components used. So in Model 1, the question 1a is will be repeated every time in the V2 examination. So you can focus in the 1a question. And next in the 2a question, the I2C bus and one wire interface, keyboard, UART, these are the most important questions. So refer in the model 1 these questions. In model 2, 3a question, discuss the operational and non-operational quality attributes of an embedded system. Here in the 3b, compare DFG and CDFG models with an example, and the C versus embedded C, and the compiler versus the cross compiler. So this 3A question is very important. So it will come in the exam every time. Even also 3B also. These differences are very important in the V2 examinations. Next one is 4A. In 4A, explain the assembly language based embedded firmware development with the diagram and mention its advantages and disadvantages. This is also important question. In 3B, they have given as the demonstration coin operated telephone system with the FSM function of states and state transition diagram. So 3B is very much important, guys. So you have to make this your answer and go to the exam. Next in module 3, 5 question, explain the monolithic microkernel with the suitable example for each. In 5B, discuss the terms task, process and threads. This is the problem statement 5C. Three processes with processes IDs P1, P2, P3 with estimated completion time 10, 5, 7 ms respectively. Enter the ready queue together in order P1, P2, P3. Calculate the waiting time and turnaround time for each process and average time. And the TAT means the time around the time. This 5C is very important. This 5C comes in every exam. So these type of questions will be coming for sure in the exam. And the next one is model 3 6A question. Write a note on IAP. IAP means in application program and the in system programming. 6B, demonstrate a blocked schematic IDE environment for the embedded system design and explain their functions in the brief. Next, 6C is illustrate the concept of the deadlock with the need diagram. Mention the different conditions which favor a deadlock situation. 6C is very much important. Mark it as a double star. It comes in every exam. Next, model 4, 7th question is list the different registers of ARM Cortex M3 and mention their uses. Explain the use of the R13, R14 and R15 registers. This is also 7A is very important. And the 7B summarize the CPSR configuration. Illustrate how to access different subdivisions of the PSR. Next one is explain the exceptions and interrupts of the ARM Cortex M3. This is also very important. In 8A, describe with the block schematic, explain the functions of the various units in ARM Cortex M3 processor architecture in brief. 8B, they have given as a discuss any 5 applications of ARM Cortex M3 based on its features. Next, 8C is explain all the processor modes of ARM Cortex M3 along with the diagram. This is important, guys. 8C is very important. Next one is model 5. In model 5, 9A question, that is 9A question. Explain the following 32-bit instructions with an example for the each ADC, BIS, LSL and the push. This is also important question, but they will change these sub questions, that is ADC, BSL, that is. Next one is 9b. Discuss the CMSIS with the diagram and functions, organization and scope. Next, in 9c, write an ALP to add first and integer numbers using Cortex M3 processor. This is a lab question. The IPCC embedded is IPCC subject, so they have included the lab program. One lab program will be for sure in the exam. Next is in 10a. Explain the operation of the following instruction with syntax and an example for each. Add W, LDMI, all these. This is also sure question. 10a is a sure question, but they will change these things. That is add W, add the all these things. Make sure you can read and write in the exam. Next one is 10b. Explain the different rotate and reverse instruction of the Cortex M3 with the, example for each. 10b is also important, but they will not give regularly in the examinations, but it is important. So this is the model paper of the 6th semester embedded system design. So I have told the all the important questions as well as the regularly coming questions in the exam, V2 exam. So make sure you read all the questions and go. They will give passing marks. Definitely passing marks will be there from this question. So make sure to read all these things. So thanks for everyone for the watching this video. So like, share and subscribe for the Mission Videos YouTube channel. So we will upload the solution for these model question paper. So stay tuned with us and regularly watch our videos.